Introducing the best in its class, ICANN's VX7 monitor. The VX7 is the only monitor in its price range that has HDSDI, HDMI, HDSD component, and composite connections, with each input using professional-grade BNC connectors. The VX7 also allows you to convert your SDI signal in the monitor to analog component. Every VX7 comes complete with an AC power supply, a shoe mount, and your choice of a DV battery plate for Sony, Panasonic, or Canon batteries. The VX7 includes both XLR and coaxial power connections and can be powered by any battery rated 12 to 20 volts. The VX7 gives you multiple frame rate options, resolutions of 480, 576, 720, and 1080, and totally unique to ICANN's VX7 monitor, a high-resolution screen of 1024 by 600. With ICANN's VX7, users have movable pixel-to-pixel capabilities as well as programmable function keys for freeze frame and blue gun. There are also 5 user-defined color temperature presets. ICANN has become the standard of reliable, affordable production tools because we listen to what our customers need and want. The VX7 is lightweight, high resolution, has multiple inputs, and of course, inexpensive. For a reliable, versatile, and professional monitor, ICANN's VX7 is your best bet.